Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I have chocolate pancakes on the menu for breakfast, dessert, snack, whatever you like. Low calories, high protein, no protein powder whatsoever, no flour, no added sugar, and this time not even a banana. Let's go grab the ingredients. So we have here very few simple ingredients, including oats. We're going to be using instead of flour. I have some sweetener instead of banana or sugar, but of course you can use either. And of cocoa powder, egg whites, Greek yogurt, I'm using a non-fat one, baking powder, and that's pretty much it. The process is very simple. You just put all ingredients into a blender. I use here my favorite NutriBullet because it's fast and easy. And you just blend it all together. Make sure you blend it very well till you do not see oats floating around. They have to be blended very well. I find I get the best results and the best texture on the pancake when I have the oats grinded very well. And for some reason they have to be grinded in the blender and not used grinded oats first. For some reason the texture is completely different. I prefer this one. And there you go. It takes literally less than 5 minutes to put this all together. And the result? Amazing. I usually fry, if you can say it, fry. I just put it on a heated non-stick pan. I don't put any butter, any oil, and they literally come out perfect. And they don't stick if you use a good non-stick pan. I mean, this one is not really a good one. It costed me just $17, but it works very well. And you have 3 medium-sized pancakes. Of course, if you'd like, you can double the recipe, triple the recipe, depending on your calorie budget. And I usually love to serve it with some Greek yogurt again. But of course, if you want to splurge, you can go ahead and use whipping cream. And some fruit would do well, but for this purpose, this is simple, enjoyable. And I hope you like it. Leave a comment below how you like your pancakes. See you on the next one.